Imagine this. You're sitting in your favorite chair, maybe with a cup of tea nearby, and without even standing up, you're strengthening your heart, easing joint pain, improving your balance, and literally adding healthy years to your life. Yes, without walking, without bending, without equipment, and without worrying about falling. Sounds too good to be true? Well, not today. Because in this video, I'm going to share the best exercises for seniors that you can do while comfortably sitting in a chair, exercises that are safe, gentle, incredibly effective, and backed by real results. Each one can help improve flexibility, blood circulation, muscle strength, energy levels, and even mood. And the best part? You can start right now, even if you're 60, 70, 80, or older. But before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This channel is all about helping seniors live healthier, stronger, and longer lives with simple, practical tips. So don't miss out. Alright, let's start with something surprising. Most people believe that exercise must be heavy, sweaty, or intense. But chair exercises prove the opposite. As we age, our joints get stiffer, our muscles weaken, balance declines, and everyday tasks like getting up from a chair or reaching for something start feeling harder. The problem is, many seniors avoid exercise because they fear falling, or they think they're too old, or they simply don't know where to start. Chair exercises solve all of that. They remove fear. They remove pressure. They remove excuses. And they still deliver real benefits: increase blood flow, reduce stiffness, improve mobility, strengthen important muscles, boost brain function, support heart health, make daily tasks easier. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. And if you're ready, let's begin with the first exercise. Exercise 1, marching in place while sitting. This is one of the most important chair exercises ever created because it helps with hip mobility, lower body strength, and cardiovascular health, all while sitting safely. Here's how to do it. Sit tall with your back straight. Lift one knee up, then the other, like you're marching. Keep your feet lifting at a pace that feels comfortable. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds. This exercise strengthens the hip flexors, improves circulation, and warms up the entire body. Great for anyone with balance issues. Let me tell you about a woman named Maria, a 72-year-old grandmother who loved cooking for her family. But one day, she started having trouble walking up the stairs. Her legs felt weak, and she worried that she'd eventually need a walker. Her doctor suggested movement, but she felt scared to stand and exercise. So she started doing one simple thing every day: seated marching. Just 2 minutes a day. Slowly, she added a few more chair exercises. Within 3 months, she said something amazing: "I feel like my legs woke up again." Not only did she climb stairs more easily, she also felt confident and stronger. All from exercises done while sitting. Let's continue with the next one. Exercise 2, arm circles. Sit straight, raise your arms a little out to the sides, and make small circles. Start slow. Then reverse the direction. This exercise loosens stiff shoulders, strengthens arm muscles, improves posture. Helps with daily activities like lifting bags or reaching shelves. Do circles for 20 to 30 seconds each direction. Exercise 3, seated leg lifts. This one is amazing for knees and thighs. Sit straight, stretch one leg forward and lift it slowly. Hold for a second. Then lower. Switch legs. Do 10 to 15 lifts per leg. This strengthens the quadriceps, critical muscles for standing up, sitting down, and balance. Many seniors say this alone reduces knee pain over time. Exercise 4, ankle rotations. This looks simple, but the results are powerful. Lift one foot and make slow circles with your ankle. Then reverse direction. Switch feet. This improves circulation, prevents swelling, and reduces leg stiffness. If your ankles ever feel tight after waking up, this exercise helps a lot. Exercise 5, torso twists. Sit straight. Place your hands on your knees. Gently twist your upper body to the right, hold for a moment, then twist to the left. This improves spine flexibility, helps back pain, strengthens core muscles. Makes daily activities easier. Do this for 10 to 15 slow twists. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this and want more helpful videos about senior fitness, mobility, and health, make sure to hit subscribe. It really supports the channel and ensures you don't miss our future content. Alright, let's continue with more powerful seated exercises. Exercise 6, Seated Side Bends. Sit tall. Drop your right hand to your side and reach your left arm overhead, bending gently. Then switch sides. This stretch opens the ribcage, improves breathing, loosens the waist area, and helps with posture. Do each side for 5 to 8 slow bends. Exercise 7, Seated Punches. This one feels fun and energizing. Sit tall. Make light fists and gently punch forward one arm at a time. Keep it slow and controlled. This helps strengthen shoulders, improve coordination, increase heart rate safely, build confidence. Do this for 30 seconds. Exercise 8, Seated Knee to Chest, Gentle. Sit straight. Slowly bring one knee toward your chest. Hold lightly with your hands for a second, then release. Switch legs. This is great for hip flexibility and lower back relief. Do 6 to 8 reps per leg. Exercise 9, Hand Squeeze and Release. Clench your fists gently, hold, and release. You can do this with or without a soft stress ball. Benefits: improves grip strength, helps arthritis discomfort. Helps with tasks like opening jars, holding utensils, and writing. Do 10 to 20 squeezes. Exercise 10, Neck Stretches. Sit comfortably. Lower your right ear toward your right shoulder, hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Then gently look down, then gently up. This releases neck tension and improves range of motion, especially helpful if you spend time reading or using a phone. Let me tell you about a retired teacher named Mr. Thompson, 78 years old. He spent most of his day reading newspapers, sitting quietly in his living room. Over time, he noticed his back hurt more, his legs felt heavy, and even lifting his grocery bags became difficult. One day, his granddaughter showed him a set of seated exercises just like the ones in this video. He laughed at first and said, "These look too easy." But he tried them anyway. He started with just 5 minutes a day. Then 10, then 15. After a month, he felt more energetic. His posture improved. His family said he looked younger. And one day, he proudly announced, "I walked up the driveway without stopping." Simple movements, big results. That's the power of consistency. Exercise 11, Seated Heel-Toe Taps. Place your feet flat. Lift your toes while keeping heels on the floor, then lift your heels while keeping toes down. Alternate slowly. This improves lower leg strength and circulation, essential for walking and preventing blood pooling. Do 20 to 30 taps. Exercise 12, Seated Butterfly Press. Place your palms together like you're praying. Push them gently against each other for a few seconds, then release. This strengthens chest, shoulders, arms. Great for improving upper body strength. Do 8 to 12 presses. Exercise 13, Wrist Rotations. Rotate your wrists slowly in both directions. This helps ease stiffness, improve flexibility, and make everyday tasks easier, especially helpful for people with arthritis. Exercise 14, Seated Back Extension. Sit tall and place your hands on your lower back. Push your chest forward and gently arch your back. Hold for a few seconds. This strengthens the back muscles and helps posture, one of the biggest issues seniors face. Exercise 15, Seated Full Body Breathing. Inhale deeply while lifting your arms gently. Exhale slowly while lowering them. Breathing exercises improve lung capacity, calm the nervous system, and reduce stress. Do this for 5 breaths. There are some tips for getting the most benefit. 1. Start slow. Even 5 minutes is enough to begin. 2. Stay consistent. Small, daily movement is better than intense workouts once a week. 3. Listen to your body. Stop if you feel sharp pain. 4. Drink water. Hydration helps your muscles work better. 5. Keep your posture tall. This makes exercises more effective. If you've made it this far, I need you to hear this. You do not need to be young to get stronger. You do not need to stand up to improve your health. You do not need expensive equipment to transform your body. All you need is the will to begin. Even while sitting in a chair, every small movement you make, every knee lift, every arm circle, every twist is a message to your body saying, I'm not done yet. I'm still here. I'm still moving. I'm still living. And that's powerful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who needs a little encouragement today. Let me know in the comments which exercise was your favorite. Stay strong, stay active, and stay healthy. See you in the next video.